It's here, the Lancôme Holiday Box, and I'm going to review it for you today because I got so excited when I saw the products in here. A $588 value, and it is for $79 right now. A buy with a purchase. The case alone is so beautiful. I just can't get over everything that was included in here. It's all the stuff I love. First of all, the Genifique. It's extremely rejuvenating. It will give you a luminous complexion. I use this in the morning and at night. Just tap it on all over my face and neck and décolletage. And then I go in with this. This is the Genifique eye cream. It is just divine. Tap that one on under my eyes. Let that sink in just a little bit. And then I go in with this soft cream. The packaging on this is so holiday. This is the Lancôme Absolue, the soft cream. It has a very light scent to it. It's really beautiful on your skin. And the packaging, you can't beat it. This looks so pretty on my dresser. I put it all back in the box so that you could see how beautiful this set is. And I think that as a holiday gift, they really knocked it out of the park this year. I have been the biggest fan of, and that's their Bi-Facil eye makeup remover. It takes off everything. It doesn't tug at your eyes. It's gorgeous. The next one is the Tonique Confort. Beautiful toner. It smells like roses. And I just love putting this on. After I wash my face, I always tone it. Then I go in with the Genifique and all the other stuff that I mentioned. And then it has my favorite mascaras in it as well. I mean, full sizes. These are full sizes here. It's an incredible mascara, the Lash Idole. And then it has a Cils booster. I love the wand on these. They're perfect for curling your lashes. This one thickens and lengthens. And you put it on and you don't wait too long before going in with the coat of mascara. I love this duo. In addition, you get Vie Est Belle, the most beautiful perfume. And look at this bottle. It's so gorgeous. This lipstick is Exotic Orchid. And it has that touch that is so pretty. You just press the top where the rose is. And then out comes the lipstick, and this is a gorgeous shade. It's more of a rosy brown. It's a very beautiful fall and winter color. Not only do you have all these products, but you get this gorgeous palette as well, and this is what it looks like. It has a very nice finish to it. It's not plastic. It's almost like a cardboard with a nice finish on it. It has a full-size mirror, and it has all these beautiful shades. I have played with all these shades, and they are so blendable. They just go on like butter. They're so smooth. Even the shimmery ones are more of a satin. You don't have any chalky type of glitter. It's just a sheen. When you move your face, you just see the sheen of these beautiful colors. The shimmers are gorgeous. There's mattes, there's shimmers. There's a deeper tone here, which is a very rich kind of a Bordeaux colored dark brown. And then this one as well is more of a wine colored brown. This blush is so beautiful. When I looked at it, I thought, oh, that looks a little pale. But let me show you what it looks like. I just sweep it on gently. And what it does is give the most luminous glow. I was amazed at how pretty this looked when I put it on because I didn't think it would have a lot of color payoff. But I put it on, and then when I noticed that it had just a glow to it and this luminous look, I was thrilled. This I'm definitely going to be traveling with because I love that it has a full-size mirror here. I love that it has the blush and all these colors that are so workable of the different eyeshadows, which include the mattes and also the shimmery shades. I hope these last for a while. I have a feeling these are going to fly off the shelves. How can you beat this wonderful set? I just wanted to show it to you because I got so excited when I got it. So pretty and very lightweight also once you get all the makeup out of it. I hope to see you on the next video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye now.